Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix your blurry thumbnails when uploading them to YouTube. So I've got a thumbnail here that I would like to attach to a short video and I want to make it optimized for the YouTube platform. So to do this, open the image with an image editing program. I like to use paint.net because it's really easy to use and it's pretty powerful. So once here, let's go ahead and press Ctrl R and resize our canvas. I'm going to make sure it's in 720p resolution. So that's going to be 1280 by 720 pixels. So once it's been resized, we can go ahead and save this image. I'm going to go ahead and replace the old one. And let's open the thumbnail now. So as you can see, the image size right now is at 760 kilobytes. The rule of thumb is to keep it below 1 or 2 megabytes, but if your image is still a bit detailed, you're going to want to compress your image. Now, to compress your image, you're going to want to use a website. So let's say image compressor. Let's use a website. So for example, this one, I'm going to select the file and upload it. And I'm going to click on compress. So what this does is it reduces the file size without lowering the quality. As you can see here, before it was 759 kilobytes and after it's 200. And in the before and after, there isn't much of a difference. You can also increase the amount of colors. So let's say I want 256 colors to maintain high quality. It's still a lot smaller. So with that done, I'm going to go ahead and click on save and we should have our thumbnail ready for use in our YouTube video. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.